In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of texts on Google Sheets. If you want your data to stand out, changing text color is a quick and effective way to draw attention or create a clean visual hierarchy. Let's walk through it from the very start so you can follow along with confidence. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. If you aren't already signed in to your Google account, go ahead and sign in so you can access your files. At the top right of the page, look for the small grid of dots. This is the Google Apps icon. Click it to open the menu of Google Services. From the menu, choose Google Sheets. This takes you to your Sheets home, where you can see recent files and templates. Open the spreadsheet you want to edit. If it's already open in another tab, switch to that tab instead. Give the page a moment to load so the toolbar is fully available. Next, highlight the text you want to change the color of. You can click a single cell, drag across a range of cells, or use Shift-click to select a continuous block. To select non-adjacent cells, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking. If you only want to recolor part of the text inside a single cell, double-click the cell to enter Edit mode, then drag over just the words you want. Now look toward the top toolbar and find the text color control. It looks like a capital A with a colored underline. This is different from the fill color icon, which looks like a paint bucket and changes the background of the cell. Click the text color icon to open the color picker. Choose the color you want by clicking it once. Your selection updates immediately on the highlighted text. If you hover over a color, you'll often see a small preview, which can help you choose confidently. You'll find a set of default colors, and you may also see recently used or custom colors if you've picked them before. If accessibility matters for your sheet, aim for strong contrast between text and background, so everything stays easy to read. That's all there is to it. Your text now reflects the color you chose. If you change your mind, press Undo or pick a different color the same way. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any other cells or ranges you want to format. With just a few clicks, your spreadsheet becomes clearer, more organized, and much easier to scan.